If the river is not calm, everything in the forest is connected to each other. From the spider webs to the ant's nest to a simple tree where squirrels and the sugar maple trees and the sun is peeking down and the gorgeous opening of a little waterfall with the call of the wild that we must respect what is here. For if we don't respect what is here, we will never respect where we came from, and we will never understand our legacy, what we're leaving behind for the next generation, and what the next generation has left here for us. The last generation and the generations before us have left all this forest in dire straits and demise, to not their surprise, because now they're gone to heaven and they realize that we are left here on this earth, and what's left of it, if we don't treat it like our mother, she's going to cry like a baby, and she's going to rain all day, she's going to start to thunder, and all our trees will die. Oh my, I must, and I will obey the laws of Mother Earth and the maple sugar bush. Canada, we love you, baby. This is what we stand for.